Very good evening to all the 11th standard students. Last class la maths la நம்ம என்ன பார்த்தோம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா combinatorics and mathematical induction பத்தி பார்த்தோம். அதல first நம்ம டாபிக்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா combinatoricsல permutation பத்தி கிளாஸ்ல உங்களுக்கு சொல்லிட்டு இருந்தேன். இப்போ permutations யூஸ் பண்ணி எப்படி நம்ம exercise sums சால்வ் பண்றது அத பத்தி இங்க பார்க்கலாம். இந்த கிளாஸ்ல exercise 4.2 ல பார்க்கலாம். In terms of permutation of the first questions for இது ஆல்ரெடி நம்ம கிளாஸ்லயே வொர்க் அவுட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். Find the value of n எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது and also 10p r minus 1 is equal to 2 into 6p r. Find r ஓட values எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறாங்க இதையும் உங்களுக்கு கிளாஸ்ல எக்ஸ்பிளனேஷன் கொடுத்திருக்கேன் அதையும் பார்த்திருக்கோம் and some other model of the question. And next one பாத்தீங்கன்னாக்கா third question. What about the third question? In a third question, suppose 8 people enter an event in a swimming meet. In how many ways could the gold, silver and bronze prizes be awarded? Okay, அப்ப நம்ம எந்த prizes awardல வாங்குறாங்கன்றதை நான் கால்குலேட் பண்ணனும். ஓகேவா? அப்ப from 8 person we have to select and arrange 3 which can be done in 8p3 ways. Okay, ஏனா இதுல gold, silver, bronze ன்னு சொல்லிருக்காங்க prizes. ஆனால் in terms of 8p3 ways. அப்ப 8p3 னா what about will be considered 8 into 7 into 6 equal to 336 ways ல கால்குலேட் பண்ண போறோம். Okay, and next one பாருங்க 3 men have 4 cards and 5 waste cards and 6 caps. In how many ways can they meet the term? Okay, what about the where the terms of ways of the terms will be considered? Selecting and arranging 6 cards from pathina 4 can be done in 4p3 ways, and selecting and arranging the 3 ways cards from 5 can be done in 5p3 ways. Appa therefore then the 3 caps வந்துச்சுனா 6 can be done in 6p3 ways. Therefore the total number of ways all the terms will be product of the values that we will get the answer 70 in terms of 1,72,800 ways la எனக்கு possible கிடைக்கும். ஓகேவா? It is also same another one model question for determine near fourth one question. Determine the number of permutations of the letters of the word simple if all are taken at a time. எல்லாத்தையும் ஒரே டைம்ல will be considered about the permutations ல எப்படி யூஸ் பண்ண போறோம். அப்ப what about will be considered the total number of letters எத்தனை இருக்கு? எனக்கு 6 இருக்கு. They can be arranged in எத்தனை factorial சொல்லலாம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா 6 factorial is equal to 720 ways. அப்ப the number of words எப்படி நான் அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணலாம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா 720 waysல என்னால அரேஞ்ச் பண்ண முடியும். Okay, and see the another one problem, fifth one question. A test consists of 10 multiple choice question. Okay, ஒரு டெஸ்ட் கண்டக்ட் பண்றாங்க. அதுல எத்தனை மல்டிபிள் சாய்ஸ் क्वेश्चन இருக்குன்னா 10 இருக்கு. In how many ways can the test be answered if each question have 4 choices? அப்ப 4 choices இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிருக்காங்க. அப்ப then will be calculate about 4 choices will be fixed. இப்போ number of questions will be 10. அப்ப so each question can be answered in 4 ways. அப்ப number of questions will be considered about 10. So they can be answered in a 4 power 10 ways la enala answer panna mudiyum. Adhe same as also another one. The first 4 question have 3 choices and the remaining have 5 choices சொல்லிருக்காங்க. அப்ப what about will be considered? The first 4 questions have 3 choices, so they can be answered in 3 power 4. Okay, ways la சொல்லிக்கலாம். அப்ப remaining 6 questions have 5 choices சொல்லிருக்காங்க. They can be answered in 5 power 6 ways. அப்ப therefore the total number of ways 10 questions can be answered in 3 power 4 into 5 power 6 ways la என்னால ஆன்சர் பண்ண முடியும். ஓகேவா? அப்ப next one question பாருங்க. Question number n has n plus 1 choices சொல்லிருக்காங்க. அப்ப n வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா n plus 1 choices சொல்லும்போது question number 1 has 1 plus 1 these 2 choices, 2 வந்துச்சுனா 3 choices, 3 வந்துச்சுனா 4 choices. It will be increasing about. அப்ப 10 question has எத்தனை இருக்கும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா 11 choices. அப்ப therefore the number of ways answering all the 10 questions will be multiple of the term 2 3 4 5 6 7 up to 11, that is equal to 11 factorial ways. Okay, then the simple answer of the term. Okay, and another one questions for sixth one. A student appears in an objective test which contain 5 multiple choice question. Each question has 4 choices out of which one correct answer. About first of all, first question padina, what is the maximum number of different answer can be the students give. About what about in terms of selecting a correct answer from the 4 answers can be done in a 4 ways. About therefore the total number of questions equal to 5. About therefore the say that can be answered in 4 power 5 ways edukumbodhu, therefore then you will be using the condition. And also second one question parunga, how will the answer change if each question may have more than one correct answers. Okay, about more than one correct answers will be considered about. About in terms of 4 choices iruknaka 4C1 or 4C2 or 4C3 or 4C4 ways la enakku possible. About therefore that is equals to 4C1 and 4C3 is equals to 4 and 4C2 equals to 4 into 3 divided by 2 into 1 is equal to 6 and 4C4 is equal to 1. About therefore the value of the term 4 plus 6 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 15. About therefore 15 number of ways can be answered in each question. Okay, and that is the number of questions enna sollirukanga parunga, number of questions enna sollirukanga 5, therefore the total number of ways la pathinaka 15 power 5. About therefore it will be simplified the question. And also another one questions for in here, how many odd strings can be formed from the letters of the word article. So the vowels occupy the even places. Vowels எங்க occupy பண்ணுதுனா even placesல occupy பண்ணுதுன்னு சொல்லிருக்காங்க. அப்ப what about will be considered vowels of the letters in your article பாத்தீனா a i e. Okay, therefore that is equal to 3. அப்ப the total number of places பாத்தீனா எத்தனை வரும் பாத்தீனா 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. அப்ப therefore 7 placesல number of even places எத்தனை பாத்தீனா 2 4 6 the even places. அப்ப therefore that is equals to 3. 3 vowels can occupy 3 places in 3 factorial. But therefore 3 into 2 into 1 is equal to 6 ways. Then the remaining 4 letters can be arranged in 4 factorial. About 4 factorial ways la consider pannalam. Therefore the total number of arrangement 3 factorial into 4 factorial is equal to, therefore 6 into 24 is equal to 144 ways ன்னு சொல்லி ஆன்சர்ல கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணி முடிச்சுக்கலாம். ஓகேவா? And another one question for 8th question, 8 women and 6 men are standing in a line. How will it be possible in a first question? How many arrangements are possible if any individual can stand in any position? But therefore the total number of persons எத்தனை இருக்காங்க? 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. But therefore the arrange in 14 factorial ways la enala arrange பண்ண முடியும். அதே second question பாருங்க, in how many arrangements will all 6 men be standing next to one another? But then there are 6 men and 8 women. To make all 6 men together, treat them as one unit. But now there are 1 plus 8 is equal to 9 persons ஆடுவாங்க. But therefore they can be arranged in 9 factorial ways will be considered. After this arrangement the 6 men can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. So the total number of arrangement is equal to 9 factorial into 6 factorial சொல்லிக்கலாம். Okay, it is clear about. And third part, what about the third part of the solution? In how many arrangements will no 2 men be standing next to one another? But therefore then there is no 2 men be together. They have to place between 8 women and before and after the woman. But therefore then they will be considered about the 9 places of the women. That is 6 men can be arranged in 9 places in 9 P6 ways after the condition. But therefore that is the arrangement of the women's pathinaka 8 women can be arranged in 8 factorial ways. Therefore the overall product of the arrangement is equivalent to 9P6 into 8 factorial. Okay, it is clear about. And see the another one very important question, இது 2 mark la கேட்கக்கூடிய questions. What about the 2 mark la கேட்கக்கூடிய questions பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்கா, find the distinct permutations of the letters of the word Mississippi. Okay, MISSISSIPPI. Okay, கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அப்ப கொடுத்திருக்கிற letters la பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்கா how many letters will be in this word? அப்ப it's 11 letters in the word. அப்ப therefore M is equal to 1 times and I is equal to 4 times and S is equal to also 4 times, P is equal to 2 times. Okay, இது எனக்கு letters of the terms வந்திருக்கு. இப்போ எப்படி இதை calculate பண்றாங்க? Then the total number of arrangement is of this word 11 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 5 factorial into 2 factorial. Then we'll be expand the term, that is equals to number of ways la arrange பண்ணிக்கலாம். Okay, 34,650 ways la என்னால arrange பண்ண முடியும். Okay, and see the next 10th one question. How many ways can the product a square b cube c power 4 be expressed without exponents? Without exponents la சொல்லிருக்காங்க. Expanding the term, அப்ப number of letters will be considered 9. அப்ப a 2 times and b 3 times and c 4 times. Then will be product arranged in the terms 1260 number of ways. Okay, it is clear about. And next 11th question, in how many ways 4 mathematics books, 3 physics books and 2 chemistry books and 1 biology book can be arranged on a shelf so that all books of the same subject are together? Okay, it will whatever will be considered about. அப்ப number of maths book பார்த்தீனாக்கா 4, number of physics book பார்த்தீனா 3, number of chemistry book பார்த்தீனா 2, number of biology books பார்த்தீனா 1. அப்ப how will be calculated? Since he went to the books of the same subject together, we have to treat all maths books as one. Okay, 1 unit, and all physics books as 1 unit, all chemistry books as 1 unit, and all biology books also 1 unit. But therefore the total number of units pathina 4. But therefore they can be arranged in எத்தனை factorial apply பண்ண முடியும்னா 4 factorial ways. After this arrangement, இப்போ நான் ஒன்னொன்னு in terms of will be considered. அப்ப 4 maths can be arranged in a 4 factorial ways. 3 physics books can be arranged in 3 factorial ways, and 2 chemistry books can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. 1 biology book can be arranged in 1 factorials. But therefore the total arrangement is equals to 4 factorial, 4 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial, that is equal to 6912 ways la என்னால arrange பண்ண முடியும். ஓகேவா? அதே same order the questions of in how many ways can the letters of the word success be arranged so that all s's are together? அப்போ successல number of letters பாத்தீனா 7, the number of s's மட்டும் s மட்டும் பாத்தீனா 3 இருக்கு. அப்போ since we want to all s together to treat all 3 s's as 1 unit, but therefore that is a consider about in terms of 4 in terms of remaining letters. But the number of total unit is considered about the 5. Therefore then the k and be arranged in 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial is equivalent to 60. Okay, in a 13th question, a coin is tossed 8 times. How many different sequences of heads and tails are possible? அப்ப number of coins tossed 8, number of outcomes for each toss பாத்தீனா 2, for total number of outcomes பாத்தீனா 2 power 8. அப்ப what about will be considered in terms of next one பாருங்க, in how many different sequences containing 6 heads and 2 tails are possible னு சொல்லிருக்காங்க. அப்ப what about will be considered 6 heads and 2 tails can be done 8p6 and 8p2. Okay, but therefore that is 8 into 7 divided by 2 into 1 is equal to 28 ways la enala possible la solla mudiyum. Okay va? And another one questions are intermediate. And intermediate eppadi namba vowels and consonant la pirichu edukalam. In how many strings are there using the letters of the word intermediate? If the first one pathina the vowels and the consonants are alternative, vowels and consonant alternative la varad mari eduthukurom. Appo intermediate la pathinaka number of vowels pathina 6, number of consonants pathina also 6. Appo I 2 times vandirukku, E 3 times vandirukku, A 1 times vandirukku, T 2 times vandirukku. Appo therefore the number of ways in a which vowels and consonants are alternative சொல்லும்போது 6 factorial into 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2 factorial, that is equal to 43,200. Okay, it is clear about. And also second part பாத்தீனாக்கா all the vowels are together னு சொல்லிருக்காங்க. அப்ப therefore that is equivalent to 6 plus 1 is equal to that is therefore vowels are answer about the single unit. Now we have 6 plus 1 is equal to 7 units which can be arranged in 7 factorial ways. Therefore 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial, t occurs twice. But therefore the 9 vowels I repeats thrice, therefore E repeats twice. But therefore 7 factorial into 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2 factorial, that is equivalent to will be 1,51,200. Okay, and see the last one part of the term, how vowels are never together and no two vowels are together. Okay, rendu idu ketirukanga. Appo what about will be considered in terms of vowels are together, not together. Appo what about will be considered? That is no all arrangement minus no number of vowels together. Appo therefore then the 12 factorial divided by that is 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial, that is equals to overall the value. And the number of ways in each number which now no two vowels are together, that is equals to subtraction of the term. In what about will be considered, that is 15,000 1,51,200 subtraction mana remaining of the terms, that is will be solution of the condition. Okay, and you see the 15th question, each of the digits 1 1 2 3 3 and 4 is written on a separate card. The 7 cards are then laid out in a row to form a 6-digit number. How many digits, distinct 6-digit numbers are there? How many digits are there? The 6 digits can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. Okay, arranged in 6 factorial way. Appo in which 1 and 3 are repeated twice. Appo therefore 1 and 3 are repeated twice in 2 factorial divide panikalam. Appo therefore then will be considered about 180 ways la enakku possible. And second part, how many of these 6-digit number are even? Appo then will be to find the number of even numbers. Number of even numbers, then unit place 2 or 4 which can be filled in 2 ways. Appo remaining digit can be arranged in 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial, then will be considered about product of the even numbers, then will be 2 in multiple, therefore that is equals to 60 ways. Okay, appo adhe pole same as also another one type of question, how many of these 6-digit numbers are divisible by 4? 4 all are divisible our numbers ketirukanga. Appo what about you will be considered about the divisible by the 4, the last 2 digits should be divided by 4. So the last 2 digit will be 12 or 24 or 32. Therefore the last 2 digit enna sollalam pathinaka 1 and 2 nu sollikalam. Therefore the 6-digit number la edukumbodhu 4 factorial by 2 factorial, that is equals to 12, then the solution of the term. Appo remaining digits are ketaka 1 3 3 4 nu sollikalam. What about they will be considered about 4 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial, that is equal to 6 endrathu solution of the term. Ipo ovvonuthu thanithaniya kandupidichirukom. Therefore the overall will be considered about the divisible by 4, then the 12 plus 6 plus 12 is equal to 30, then the number of solutions. Okay, and another one questions for, if the letters of the word garden are permuted in all possible ways and the string those formed are arranged in the dictionary order. அதை நான் டிக்ஷனரி ஆர்டரில் அரேஞ்ச் பண்ண போகிறேன். அப்போ தென் ஃபைண்ட் த ரேங்க்ஸ் ஆஃப் த வேர்ட். இப்போ ரேங்க் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணி சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஹவு வில் பி ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் த கார்டன் அண்டு டேஞ்சர். அப்போ த கார்டன் கிவன் த லெட்டர்ஸ் கார்டன் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அப்போ அது இன் டேர்ம்ஸ் ஆஃப் டு ஃபைண்ட் த ரேங்க் ஆஃப் த கார்டன். அப்போ கிவன் லெட்டர்ஸ் ஆல்ஃபபெட்டிக் ஆர்டர் ஆர் in terms of A, D, E, G, N, R. இது alphabetic orderல write பண்ணாலே then will be considered the rank of the orders. பண்ணி சொல்லிக்கலாம். In total number of words starting with A, remaining 5 letters. அப்போ remaining எத்தனை இருக்கு எனக்கு 5 letters இருக்கு, 5 factorial. And number of starting with D வந்துச்சுனாக்கா remaining 5 letters 5 factorial. அதே போல் ஒவ்வொன்றுத்தையும் கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டு மறுபடியும் என்ன பண்ணுறோன்னா 3 letters. The number of starting of the with G, A, D, remaining 3 letters will be 3 factorial. அதே போல் G, A, E, G, A, N. Then will be considered about the garden. But what about using the remaining 3 letters will be considered about the 1. Therefore the rank of the garden letters is total value is equals to 379. அதே போல் இப்போ நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் கேட்டிருக்காங்க டேஞ்சர் கண்டுபிடிக்க சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. அதே சேம் இஸ் ஆல்சோ சேம் ப்ரொசீஜர். த நம்பர் ஆஃப் வேர்ட்ஸ் ஸ்டார்டிங் வித் A equal to 5 factorial. அப்போ 5 factorialனாக்கா 120. அப்போ 120 என்னும்போது what about will be considered in terms of number of in terms of அதே போல் DA equal to 3 factorial 6, அதே போல் DAG 6 factorial. In terms of danger all the terms will be considered, that is equals to 135. அப்போ therefore the rank of the danger is 135 சொல்லி ஆன்சரில் முடிச்சுக்கலாம். Okay, and also அதே same as also next one question will be considered. What about the terms? Find the number of strings that can be made using all letters of the word thing. If these words are written as in a dictionary, what it will be the 85th string. அப்போ 85th string என்னவா இருக்கும்? First number of stringsல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எத்தனை number of words in terms of thingsல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 5 in terms of 5 factorial equal to 120. அப்போ think என்ற wordல நான் எடுக்க போகிறேன். We will be arranging the alphabetic order to find the 85th word கண்டுபிடிக்க போகிறேன். அப்போ the number of words starting with G நாக்கா 4 factorial is equal to 24. And the number of words starting with H இருந்துச்சுன்னா 4 factorial is equal to 24. Number of words starting with 1 I இருந்துச்சுன்னா 4 factorial is equal to 24. அடுத்து continuing in terms of NG. அடுத்தது next in terms of G H I முடிஞ்ச அப்புறம் NG. அடுத்து G அதுக்கடுத்து NH. அடுத்தது பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்கா NIGH. Okay, that is equals to 1. அப்போ therefore that is the total number of ways பார்த்தீங்கன்னா night NIGHT. Okay, this is for the solution of the term. Therefore 85th word is night ன்னு சொல்லி ஆன்சர்ல முடிச்சுக்கலாம். Okay, and next 18th question. If the letters of the word funny are permitted in all possible ways on the strings, those formed or arranged in the dictionary order, find the rank of the word funny. The given word is funny is the taken about the using the letters. The fn is equal to 3 factorial is equal to 6 and funn பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்கா 1 factorial that is equals to 1. அப்போ therefore 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. The rank of the funny is equal to 7 சொல்லி ஆன்சர்ல முடிச்சுக்கலாம். And also 19th question பாருங்க. Find the sum of all 4 digit numbers that can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Repetitions are not allowed ன்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. அப்போ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 எடுத்தாச்சு. அப்போ in terms of 4 digit number 1000, 100, tens, ones. அப்போ 5, 4, 3, 2 அந்த ஆர்டரில் நான் எடுத்துக்கிறேன். அப்போ therefore then will be considered 5 factorial, 4 factorial, 3 factorial. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 is equal to 120. Then 4 equal to 120. அப்போ the number of ways பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 120 number of ways இருக்கு. 120 numbersல digits are occurs in a 5 numbers that will be 120 divided by 5 is equal to 24 times. Therefore the sum of the digits equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 15. Okay, அப்போ 15 போது the sum of numbers in each place பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 24 into 15 is equal to 360. அப்படியே will be multiple. First place, second place and other ones, tens, hundreds and thousands will be multiplied. Then we will get the adding the part, that is the total number of ways of the terms. Okay, and you will see the last one questions for it is also same method of the question. Find the sum of all 4 digit numbers that can be formed using the digits ன்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. அவங்களே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க without repetition எடுத்துக்க சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. அப்போ the given digits are என்னென்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க 0, 2, 5, 7, 8. To get the number of 4 digit numbers, thousands place can be filled in 4 ways excluding 0. அதே 100 place can be filled in 4 ways excluding 1 and number and including 0. எனக்கு including 0 சேர்த்து எடுத்துப்பேன். அதே tens place can be filled in 4 minus 1 that is equal to 3 ways and unit place can be filled in 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 ways. ஏன்னா in terms of unit place அந்த கேத்த மாதிரி நான் will be fill out that out. About 2 ways then will be the product of all the ways will be considered 4 into 4 into 3 into 2 that is equals to 96 ways. Therefore find the sum of 96 numbers then will be considered 96 divided by 4 is equal to 24 times. Therefore 24 times the remaining digits are the 2, 5, 7, 8. Okay, 0 come in a 100 place. Now in 100's place வந்து 0 வந்துச்சுனாக்கா 24 times, so the remaining digit பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 2, 5, 7, 8. Okay, அப்போ therefore 96ல இருந்து 24 போச்சுனாக்கா 72 divided by 4 that is equals to 18 times. Similarly tens placeல அதே போல கண்டுபிடிக்கிறேன். அதுக்கு எனக்கு என்ன வருது பாருங்க 22, 528, 396. Therefore that is will be adding the condition. What about will be considered ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, then will be apply the condition. Therefore the total sum of the values உங்களுக்கு find it ஆயிடும். ஓகேவா? It is clear about புரியுதுங்களா? இதை காப்பி பண்ணிக்கோங்க. உங்களுக்கு வீடியோவில் காமிக்கிறது எல்லா சம்ஸையும் ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணுறது எல்லாத்தையும் காப்பி பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோ. ஏதோ எனி டவுட் வில் பி ஆஸ்க் இன் த நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ். ஓகே, ரிமைனிங் இருக்கிறத நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸில் பார்க்கலாம். தேங்க்யூ டு ஆல்.
லட்சியம் எங்கள் கண்ணிலே நிறைவேறிடும் அந்த நாளிலே உலகம் போற்றிடும் எங்கள் பள்ளியே SRT. கல்வி பண்புகளை கண்ணின போற்று கலைகள் யாவையும் கைவசமாக்கு பள்ளியின் பெயரை கேட்டால் SRK. IIT MBBS தேர்வையான போது மோதி வென்றிடு. ஒரே லட்சியம் எங்கள் கண்ணிலே நிறைவேறிடும் அந்த நாளிலே உலகம் போற்றிடும் எங்கள் பள்ளியே SRK. கல்வி பண்புகளை கண்ணென போற்று கலைகள் யாவையும் கைவசமாக்கு பள்ளியின் பெயரை கேட்டால் சொல்லு SRK.
Admission is going on from pre-KG to 12th standard. Group A1A, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Biology. Group A1B, Physics, Chemistry, Computer Science and Biology. Group A2, Maths, Physics, Chemistry and Computer Science. Group A3, Accountancy, Economics, Commerce and Computer Application. SRK Higher Secondary School, 45/7, Dilliyanur Main Road, Karikalambakkam, Puducherry 7.